Hey everybody, we're live at 6:20 and we're running a 2-winner mini for John's Masters of the Universe battle. There it is. 10 spots. Top 2 claim spots in the main on this one. I'm going to paste my list of 10 spots over here, which you can see. Going to roll the dice to see how many rounds. Got to get a 5 or better. We got an 11. We're definitely good to go. Good luck, everybody. Here we go as we get down to business. Ryan and Brian taking round 1. Ryan and Con 2. Con and Brian 3. Con and Brian 4. Ryan and Brian again. Con takes round 6. Salvador and Brian round 7. Brian and Ryan. Brian and Brian. Con again on top in our next to last round, round 10, bringing us to the last round. Good luck, folks. Here we go. And our winners are Con and Brian, numbers 2 and 7, respectively. LMRUID is our verification. There's our results again. Con and Brian. I'm done at 6:21 p.m. As you can see there. One last time, here's our results. Con and Brian are our champions for this mini. Congratulations. See you next time, guys. Thanks.